Hi, Diana McGarvin, Harcourt's Prime Properties. I'm here at my new listing, 41 Beachview Avenue in Dana Point. This is located in the exclusive gated community of the Strand. It's in the lower part of the Strand. The home is just under 6,000 square feet. It offers 4 bedrooms plus an office, 4.5 bathrooms. There's a wine cellar, 3-car garage, along with a golf cart garage, and amazing panoramic views from both levels, along with Catalina Island. You can watch the whales go by, the pelicans fly by. It's just a stunning, beautiful home.